This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott on a Monday here on the James Dix Financial Network. President Obama went on the campaign trail today to push his economic stimulus plan, while a crucial procedural vote looms in the Senate. Obama traveled to one of the hardest hit cities in the United States, Elkhart, Indiana, to rally support for an $800 billion plan to boost the flagging U.S. economy and prevent what he called a catastrophe for America. Obama will return to Washington for a primetime news conference to pitch his economic plan to the nation. General Motors and Chrysler may have to be forced into bankruptcy by the U.S. government to assure repayment of $17.4 billion in federal bailout loans. That's a course of action the automakers claim would ultimately destroy them. Meanwhile, GM is discussing taking back some factories from its former parts division, Delphi Corporation. Delphi has been operating under Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection for more than 3 years now, and like many suppliers, it's struggling with the shrinking U.S. auto markets. Nissan Motors is cutting 20,000 jobs, that's 8.5% of its global workforce, to cope with what Japan's third largest automaker expects will be its first annual loss in 9 years. OPEC Secretary General said he's willing to cut oil output further at a meeting in March, adding that he would like to see full compliance with existing curbs first. And effective today, Hertz Global Holdings has increased retail rental prices at all North American airport locations. Retail car rental rates have been increased by $5 a day and $30 a week, but its negotiated contract rates are not affected by the increase. The move is to overcome a tough operating environment due in part to higher vehicle depreciation costs, including lower used car values. We have one major economic report tomorrow on Tuesday. That is the wholesale inventories report for December. In earnings today, NYSE Euronext recorded a $1.34 billion loss during the fourth quarter as it was forced to take a related charge to its 2007 acquisition of European exchange Euronext. Hasbro earned $93.6 million, or 62 cents a share in the latest quarter. Analysts were looking for a profit of 75 cents. Beazer Homes USA announced that it lost $80.3 million, or $2.08 a share. Analysts expected the home builder to lose $1.83. And Whirlpool Corporation said fourth quarter profit tumbled 77%. The company says earnings available to common shareholders fell to $44 million, or 60 cents a share, while analysts were looking for 78 cents a share. Earnings on Tuesday, there's quite a few. Molson Coors Brewing, Applied Materials, Quest Communications, DirecTV, Choice Hotels, Gaylord Entertainment, UBS, Pepsi Bottling, NVIDIA, and Perot Systems. Some of the stocks in the news today included Apple trading higher after FTN Equity Capital raised its rating to buy from neutral. Disney is expected to announce a movie distribution agreement with Steven Spielberg's DreamWorks SKG 3 days after GE's Universal Pictures pulled out of a similar deal with DreamWorks. McDonald's reported global comparable sales rose by 7.1% in January, and U.S. Steel said about 500 employees have taken a voluntary early retirement package. The date for most employees to leave the company, February 28th. And that is the Market Wrap on this Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.